Hello my dear friends, welcome back to Sparkle with Jyoti. Oh my god, I'm so excited for this video because it's been so long जो मैंने आपके साथ बात की है ऐसे बैठकर. तो I am extremely sorry for that, but I don't know if you have not following me on Instagram, please do so. I'm going to leave my handle here, Jyoti Sparkle. उस पर मैं daily updates बताती हूँ और मेरे life के बारे में और behind the scenes और day to day life में मेरे क्या चल रहा है. So do follow me there so that you can get daily updates, and if you have not subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe, hit the bell button so that you are getting notification of my each and every video and do not miss anything what I'm posting. Okay, so guys, I am pretty excited. So जो भी है चाय कॉफ़ी जूस पानी ले लो हाथ में and then we can let's just have like a chit chat and understand what is going on, because I wanted to make this video from since like so long, like past 6 to 7 months. Things have been changing and there are so many changes in my life, in my work life, especially here in Sweden. So I wanted to update you like heart to heart talk, but I was not getting time. But अभी यहाँ पे summers चल रहे हैं, so it's very warm. It's almost 30 degrees today. It's amazing weather. It's like Indian humid weather, So people are enjoying having fun, but then I am a little busy because that's what brings me to my first update, and that is the work update. And I am so happy and excited to tell you this, that I have started my own company here in Sweden. So yes guys, I've started my own company and it's a digital marketing company. So I offer all my services, my social media marketing services, my SEO, Google ads, Facebook ad campaigns, and writing articles, captions, Instagram growth. There are like so many things and so many services which I provide in that. And I will make maybe another video informing you and updating you like what is the process of starting a company here. I have made couple of videos about starting a business in Sweden, but from my own personal point of view I haven't made. So definitely that I will make. And so I was really scared and very tense, like मैं करूँ ना करूँ कैसे करूँ, but finally I took the plunge and I have done it. So thank you all for so much of your patience, and whoever has known about this, they have sent me so many best wishes for your encouragement. Everything is really I'm grateful and thankful to you guys. And so yeah, past 6 months I had already started getting clients and all that, but I had not registered in here because I have clients all over the world. So I have clients from US, India, Nigeria, and so many other places. But in Sweden I just had one client, so I was not in the not sure of starting a company because of course taxes are very high. But I got now like almost 3 to 4 clients from Gothenburg itself. तो तभी मैंने सोचा कि now is the right time to register a company and start like properly, legally, everything, so that I can take it forward as a business, and yeah, grow this business. So that is the first update guys. So yeah, that is what I was meaning to tell you. It's definitely scary, but I have been like this is my dream since childhood. I wanted to have like my own business, my own company. So this feels really right, and I'm pretty excited about that. Now coming on to the next thing is health update. I wanted to update you about my health. Last almost 1.5 months I have been unwell in the sense like I have got this ear infection, और वो काफ़ी ज़्यादा हो गया था in both my ears, और मेरे कान काफ़ी पेन हो रहे थे, and the entire my jaw, my neck, my head, everything was paining so badly. And I did have like all these clients or commitments or work or responsibilities, so I could not take off or anything as such. मुझे काम तो करना ही था, और उसके वजह से I was not feeling like I was doing my work. I was cooking and doing other sorts of whatever my work commitments, but coming on the camera and sitting and filming, I was not getting the motivation and time at all. So but I missed you guys, and I love YouTube. YouTube will always be my first love, so I cannot ignore or cannot post videos. So be rest assured, I will be here like I think until I die. So do expect a lot of good content and a lot of videos coming from in the next few days. अभी तो यहाँ पे समर्स चल रहे हैं, so and I have not taken any vacation. I am still working because I have a lot of clients, उनका काम चल रहा है, editing and all those things. So that I I am just taking 1 week of a holiday, that is last week of July, but after that you can expect regular videos. And I know a lot of topics have been given to me by you guys, and I have those topics with me. I have the script and all the I have done my research and everything is there, so be patient. All the videos will be coming since August regularly on this particular channel. So if you've still not subscribed, please guys do subscribe. I have over 285 videos on my channel about each and every topic which you can even think, you know, whatever like you think about Sweden, the topic I have made the video. So do check it out. It will really mean a lot to me if you subscribe to the channel and be a part of this community. So thank you. Now guys, comes to the third update, and that is about Sweden. You know, there are so many questions which have come on my way either through my Instagram or my email, that is sparklewithjyoti@gmail.com. I have got so many emails asking how is the situation in Sweden, how is the COVID situation, how is the job market, and you know, is it the wise to come here now, or should you postpone like your admission? So many of you have got admissions here in different universities, and you know, I was not getting time to reply. So whoever has mailed me, you know, please forgive me, excuse me if I've not replied your email, but today only I sat down and replied few emails. The work is going crazy guys. I'm like not getting time at all. I'm also trying to put systems and processes in place so that, you know, things get automated and don't have to do myself everything manually. तो मैं try तो बहुत कर रही हूँ, and my goal is, you know, August या September तक मैं सब कुछ automated और सब कुछ अच्छे process में डाल दूँ, so that, you know, I don't get burned out and everything goes on smoothly. So आपको भी आपके replies, आपके email के replies and everything, you know, goes very nicely. Also, by the way, I wanted to mention that I do have one-on-one consultations. So I don't talk about this enough, but I am going to now. You know, whoever like has something specific questions or कोई problem है, because everything doesn't fall under the general category of the videos which I make. तो आपका कोई particular situation है, specific situation है जो आपको personalized guidance या फिर advice चाहिए, तो उसके लिए मैं I have like different prices for consultation. So do check out my website, or in the description box I will mention all the details about that. So if you're interested, you can also look for that as well. Okay. So now about Sweden, it's really crazy now because काफ़ी वैक्सीनेशन हो गया है. Almost 60% of the vaccination is done here in Sweden, and I also got my first dosage, which I have made a video and you guys have seen it. If you have not, you can definitely check it out. Or I got the Pfizer vaccine here, which is going on in Sweden. और also there are a lot of restrictions and rules कि अगर आपने कोई और वैक्सीन लिया होगा, कोविशील्ड है इंडिया में, तो you are not allowed entry in Sweden if you have taken that vaccine, and only Pfizer and Moderna, these two are allowed in Sweden as of now. तो rules तो change होते रहते हैं, तो stay tuned for that. I will definitely, you know, I am sweating because, you know, it's really hot here. So things have, you know, opened, like people are gone crazy everywhere. There is so much of crowd, सब लोग, you know, are outside, everyone is having fun. और borders तो इतने open नहीं है, so people are just traveling within Sweden. तो आसपास जो भी बाजू में है, you know, like Stockholm is there, Gotland, और काफ़ी छोटी जगह हैं यहाँ पे, कंट्री साइड भी है, तो लोग वहाँ पे जाके like road trips कर रहे हैं. और you know, if you have to travel by flight, then anyways you need PCR test and everything. But many people are just who, especially with kids and all, you know, are traveling within Sweden. Nobody is traveling outside. So that is what is the situation. But restrictions are getting lesser and lesser day by day. So अभी काफ़ी गर्मी है, long hours हैं, like रात को 11 बजे तक यहाँ पे धूप रहती है, like, you know, it feels like it's in the evening 5 o'clock. So काफ़ी daylight है, तो people don't want to miss it because again, you know, after August it's going to be dark and you know, ठंड होगी, कोल्ड होगा. सो पीपल जस्ट वांट टू हैव फन इन समर्स, एंड यूजुअली लोग, यू नो, पीपल वेट कि समर कब आएगा, कब हम बाहर जाएंगे, कब जैकेट्स निकल जाएंगे, कब छोटे कपड़े पहनेंगे, यू नो. सो ऑल दिस थिंग्स, आइसक्रीम एंड यू नो, देयर इज सो मेनी फन एक्टिविटीज़ इन समर. सो सब लोग, यू नो, राह देखते हैं समर की. तो ऑब्वियसली हम एक्सपेक्ट तो नहीं कर सकते कि सब लोग घर पे बैठेंगे. सो दैट इज़ अ सिचुएशन, बट आई थिंक गेटिंग वैक्सीनेटेड एंड यू नो, जस्ट ट्राइंग टू बी एज सेफ एज पॉसिबल इज़ द ओनली सोल्यूशन, विच इज़ वॉट वी आर डूइंग. और काफ़ी सब कुछ ओपन है. अभी आई थिंक नेक्स्ट वीक से और रिस्ट्रिक्शंस कम होने वाले हैं. सो एनीवेज एवरीथिंग वाज ओपन. तो रेस्टोरेंट्स, बाहर मॉल्स, एवरीथिंग इज ओपन. लिज़ाबेरी जो मैंने अम्यूजमेंट पार्क है यहाँ पे वो भी खुल गया है. सो आई थिंक यू गाइज हैव सीन द वीडियो विच आई मेड. इफ यू हैव नॉट देन यू कैन चेक इट आउट. So I will list all whatever I'm talking about in the description box, so you can definitely go back and check it out. Also on another note, offices भी खुल गए हैं. So many people are going offices like twice or thrice in a week. Or I think after August it's going to be like open for longer time. So maybe people have to go more number of times in the office. Maybe अभी 2 दिन जा रहे हैं तो 4 दिन जाना पड़ेगा. So things are going to get I think towards the normal. Or schools, colleges and everything. Schools so anyway it was going on only working, everything was open, but colleges and universities are also going to start again slowly. As of now this सब online है, but धीरे धीरे everything is going starting to go back to normal. Of course 100% normal नहीं होगा Sweden में इस साल भी. I am thinking it's going to take some time, maybe January or next year ही पता चलेगा कि क्या होगा. But as of now definitely things are more and more opening. So if you guys have got admission in any of the universities, so basically यहाँ पे अगस्त में सब twice in a year नया साल शुरू होता है. So like January and August. So if you have guys have got admission in school, university or whatever in September 2021, then I suggest you can definitely come here. It's quite safe. Just the basic precautions, whatever has to be taken, that you can take. Or I think overall everything is safe for you to come. Or I think that's it. Or these are all the updates as of now. So things are really normal. So don't worry if you are planning to come with your family, or if you are planning to come and study here. Then it is absolutely fine. You can definitely come. और फिर भी आपको अगर कोई personal questions है तो please DM me on Instagram and I'll be replying your questions. That's it I think from my side today, and do stay tuned for next series of videos which I'm going to post here.